Hello guys. Today there's something very interesting I wanted to tell you about these honeybees kept in this little panel. See? So if you look really closely, there's a bunch of bees. They produce honey for their hive and they eat pollen. So basically this is like the honey, and you can see like the combs, like they live here, and there's a whole bunch. And you can see like the yellow stuff, that's honey. And then it's like the honeycombs, and it's really cool. And the other side is pretty much the same thing. Honey also, and more bees. A bunch of them are moving.
Oh, can we see the hive? Look at a pollen in
Mm-hmm.
Who can scoop it out?
I don't know. You could ask the